This is Bob. He's just arrived on site with his portable fuel tank to refuel some construction equipment. It's just another day on the job for Bob. He gets out his fuel logbook and manually records some details. Back at the office, reports are a hassle to compile. Bob's boss is not happy. He has no visibility of how fuel is being managed, and the data is often full of mistakes and hard to read. And if Bob's boss isn't happy, it's not a good day for Bob. Now meet Barry. It's just another day on the job for him too. Barry pulls up to refuel one of the machines on his site. He takes out his smartphone, launches the iFUEL app, then starts dispensing fuel. Data from the app is GPS logged and instantly synced to the iFUEL online database via the cloud, where it can be accessed remotely when preparing project reports. Barry's boss is very happy. He knows exactly where, when, and how much fuel is being dispensed, thanks to iFUEL. Start managing your fuel consumption more easily, more accurately, and more profitably. Contact us today to find out more about iFUEL and be a Barry, not a Bob.